According to Drive Tesla, Tesla is building its first publicly accessible Megacharger station for its semi-trucks in Carson, California. The new station, located at 19300 South Hamilton Avenue near the 405 and 110 freeways, will feature 12 charging stalls capable of delivering over 1 megawatt of power. However, it will still be exclusive to Tesla's Class 8 electric truck and not open to other manufacturers. Tesla says its Semi can recharge up to 70% of its 500-mile range in just 30 minutes. The new station will also include a 1,600-square-foot building with restrooms, vending machines, and a lounge for drivers. Currently, Tesla's Megachargers are only available at private locations like Gigafactory Nevada and PepsiCo facilities. The company has tried to secure public funding to expand its charging network but has been denied twice, including by the California Air Resources Board and the U.S. government's National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program, which prioritize chargers open to all manufacturers. Meanwhile, Tesla is building a new high-volume semi-factory next to Giga Nevada, expected to be completed by the end of this year, with deliveries of the truck set to begin in 2026. You are listening to UON News.